Okay, this is Yonge and Eglinton, otherwise known as Young and Eligible, I guess. I'm neither. But anyway, tons of construction going along Eglinton in preparation for the subway. It's been under construction for, I think, about 6 or 7 years at least since I moved to this area. It'll be great when it's done, but in the meantime, a lot of businesses have closed because sidewalk traffic is not what it used to be, and parking is almost non-existent. Right now I'm going to turn left on Avenue Road, or close to it. Get on Avenue Road. Actually, I think I'll turn here. Yeah. And I'm going to go down to the Yorkville area. Houses here are really nice and really expensive. There's been a housing boom in Toronto for the last really about 20 years. And people keep saying there's going to be a crash, but it hasn't really happened. There's been a couple of pauses, but that's about it. Most people, a lot of people can't afford to live in the city, so they move out, and so as a result, a lot of the outlying areas have gone up in price too because of the demand. Okay, this is not Avenue Road, it's Oriole, but it's going to turn into Avenue Road at a certain point. So I have the horizontal leveling on with this GoPro, so you can't really see the lean. Well, you can see the bike lean, but the horizontal remains, or it should remain, level. Still new to this GoPro thing. I'm recording my audio directly into it because a helmet mounted microphone and a wire going into the Media Mod attachment of the GoPro. And I've tested out the sound level, and it sounds pretty good. But, well, it still picks up the sound of the bike, I believe. Yeah, this is Oriole Parkway, which turns into Avenue Road. Okay, let's see who's going to turn in front of me here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know why everyone wants to go in the left lane. Jeez. Happens on the highway a lot too. People merge onto the highway and then immediately they want to go in the left lane. Zoom. It's unsafe and it's unnecessary, but I think people feel more comfortable in the left lane, even if they don't necessarily drive fast. Anyway, pet peeve of the day. And here's a nice little curve that leads into Avenue Road South in Toronto, Midtown Toronto. Whoa, a little bit of a jam up. Some people are conscientious of motorcycles and they anticipate what's going to happen. I think that person knew that I was going to go into the left lane and accelerate, and so they stayed put, at least for the moment. Others are totally oblivious. Not that I want special treatment, but it's just that, you know, being aware of the type of vehicles in your surrounding, whether it's a slow truck or a quick motorcycle or whatever. St. Clair Avenue, and this went through its own construction, creating a right-of-way for the streetcar. Very controversial, but now that it's in, I think people kind of enjoy it. See the CN Tower, or the top of the CN Tower way in the background there. It's behind buildings now, but oh gosh, okay. People parked in the lane where there's no parking. Lots of traffic, but that's all right. As long as the traffic moves, I'm happy. It's going to be a hot day. So yeah, I'm gonna turn left up here fairly soon to Cumberland. I'm gonna take a drive down Cumberland. Yorkville area is really popular all year round, but it's also very popular for restaurants for the TIFF, the Toronto International Film Festival. There's lots of people, lots of film goers, lots of cast members, film crew, and so on, because there's a filming nearby, or not filming, premieres and so forth, galas, you know, special events to do with the film festival, and that runs in September. Right now it's August. So I'm going to take a run up Cumberland, and then I'm going to turn and go to Yorkville. So yeah, Cumberland here is where most of the restaurants are. plus some shopping. So we're just north of Bloor. This is the Bay Street subway station. This street to my left, your left as well, is normally open to traffic, but with COVID they've closed it and made it more pedestrian friendly and for restaurants and so on. Yorkville Street is interesting. There's a lot of very high-end expensive shopping there. Well, not a lot, but enough. It attracts a lot of people during the day. A lot of good cafes is another attraction. And it ends up being a place for people to cruise in their very expensive cars, like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsches, whatever. And I've seen them just circle the block several times, sometimes. It's like they're looking for parking, but not really, you know. Okay, so yeah, more street patios, which is cool. And yeah, getting close to the end here. I'm just gonna park. That's it. Talk to you later.